Normally, I would be on the bike and trying to put in some mileage. But as you guys have probably noticed through the videos, we have been struggling around here with just terrible rainy weather for the past week and a half or so. It's literally rained every day. Today's the first day it hasn't. Well, as you can imagine, these trails are not in good shape. And the last thing I want to do is make them worse. I'm shooting this on the DJI OSMO Action 4. I'm shooting it 4K at 60 frames per second. Just for any frame of reference for people who are interested. I noticed that when I was actually in the market for one of these action cameras, I'm not really a tech guy or a camera guy, so I really didn't know what I was doing. I know this is not the newest one, but I was able to get a pretty good deal on it. It still shoots 4K and 60 FPS, so I was like, you know, for the money that I can get this for, it may be worth it. So one of the main reasons I came over here to actually walk in this trail today is because the sun is out and there's kind of some cool lighting, and then after the rain everything's kind of bright and green. So hopefully we'll be able to get an idea of the resolution. I'll probably leave this thing really unedited in any way, just kind of let it show the natural capture of what it's actually getting. So we're back out at the lake. This is where the trail kind of dumps out over to lake at the park. So this will do it. Back up, and my pretty little wife and kids are up here waiting on me, and I think they're playing at the splash pad or whatever you call it. So I'm gonna go see them, and then we'll be heading home and wrapping it up for dinner and work tonight. So see you guys on the next one.